Okay. Good morning, one and all. A 3-month-age female baby of Uma, resident of Malakpet, came to the hospital with the complaints of paucity of all limb movements since birth. History of present illness. Mother noticed decreased movements of all limbs since birth. History of respiratory distress immediately after birth, which is not associated with grunting, stridor, bleached discoloration of skin and pallor, and it decreased over 48 hours. History of difficulty in swallowing, choking episodes, regurgitation of feeds, pulling of secretions in throat following breastfeeding. History of recurrent respiratory tract infections. No history of convulsions, irritability and fever. Antenatal history. Age of Uma at the time of conception 20 years with para 3 live 1 dead 2. Her antenatal scans are normal and she noticed decreased fetal movements at 8 months of gestational age. No history of pregnancy-induced hypertension, gestational diabetes mellitus, antepartum hemorrhage and polyhydramnios. Her natal history. It's a term gestation with cephalic presentation, delivered by elective lower segment caesarean section in view of 2 previous LSCS. Baby birth weight is 1.8 kgs, cried immediately after birth which was weak. History of respiratory distress, immediate resuscitation was done, respiratory distress relieved over 48 hours. No history of premature rupture of membranes, meconium stained like a cord around the neck. Past obstetric history. 2 previous pregnancies were full term, delivered by lower segment caesarean section. History of 2 sibling deaths with similar complaints. First child died at 3 months of age due to respiratory failure. Second child died at 1.5 month due to aspiration. Family history, it is a second degree consanguinity. On general examination, baby is alert, weak cry, pink, warm, no cyanosis, pallor, no congenital anomalies, no limb anomalies, no dysmorphic features. Genital or normal. Vitals, baby is afebrile, blood pressure 70/50 millimeters of mercury, respiratory rate 68 breaths per minute, intercostal retractions were present, heart rate 120 beats per minute, all peripheral pulses are felt. Anthropometry, weight 3.5 kilograms, length 55 centimeters, which comes under 3rd percentile. Head circumference is 38 centimeters, which comes under 15th percentile. Systemic examination, examination of respiratory system. Chest is bilaterally symmetrical, respiratory rate 68 breaths per minute, which is abdominothoracic type. Lower retractions were present, which is not associated with stridor, grunting, cyanosis. On percussion resonant, no adventitious sounds heard. Examination of central nervous system, baby is alert. Examination of cranial nerves, 9th and 10th cranials, decreased palatal movements and absent gag reflex seen. Other cranial nerves are normal. Motor system, posture is frog-like posture with abduction and external rotation at the hip, flexion at the knees and elbow, bulk or normal. Tone, generalized hypotonia present. When baby is pulled to sit, head lag is present. On ventral suspension, hands and limbs are limping. On vertical suspension, baby is slipping through the axillary grip. Generalized hypotonia present, scarf sign positive. Decreased spontaneous active movements and not able to overcome gravity. Neonatal reflexes, sucking and rooting reflexes are present. Palmar grasp present but weak. Morose and asymmetric tonic neck reflexes were not elicited. Examination of GIT, no organomegaly. Examination of cardiovascular system, S1 and S2 are heard. Case summary. 3 months age female baby with 2nd degree consanguinity presented with decreased movement of all limbs, history of respiratory distress immediately after birth, history of 2 siblings, death with similar complaint. On examination, baby is alert, having respiratory distress, hypotonia, weakness of all limbs with absent reflexes and feeding difficulty. With the above clinical findings, the following investigations are done. Complete blood picture normal, random blood sugar 85 milligrams per deciliter, serum calcium, electrolytes are normal. Chest X-ray mild hyperaeration is seen, liver function test and renal function test are normal, C-reactive protein negative, urine for metabolic profile normal, CSF analysis, no cells, protein 45 milligrams per deciliter, sugar 60 milligrams per deciliter and culture no organism isolated. Neurosonography report, ultrasonography of abdomen reports are normal. Creatine kinase slightly elevated, which is 285 units per liter. On electromyography, Right bicep showed denervation in the form of fibrillation, no spontaneous activity in the right quadriceps. The impression denervation activity. Nerve conduction studies show absent compound motor action potentials. SMN gene analysis, homozygous deletion of exon 7, exon 8 in the SMN1 gene. With the above clinical findings and the investigation, we came to the diagnosis of spinal muscular atrophy type 1, which is Wernicke-Hoffmann disease. Thank you.